by the end of this video, designing ads and making your business profitable shouldn't be a problem anymore, because there's this feature in Canva that is the perfect solution for any business when it comes to running ads. Let's take a quick look at it. And look, the name is Benjamin. Without any further ado, let's jump straight into Canva and let's get started. All right, so on your homepage, all you're simply going to do is to search for this triple dot and you should see Canva Grow. Click on Canva Grow and it should just bring you to this beautiful page. So now, if you have a link to your product, or maybe you have a link to a campaign you're running or something, you can fetch it and we're just going to be working with it over here. So all you simply need to do, in fact, let me just bring mine. I have a link to my product. Okay, so I'll just copy it and I'll just come here and paste it, because that's what the Canva AI would require from you. So then click on submit and it should start processing. So we can see what it's been able to generate. The business name, I'll just enter African Geek. Okay, so African Geek, and we can also see the description based on the link. It has just pulled out this for us. But maybe that's not what it's about. It's doing something. I can just say African Geek is an online educator platform that creates design-related tutorials and templates. If you're not sure of how to describe your business, please, ChatGPT is there for you. So you can just use ChatGPT. Now the industry, okay, creator tools, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, that's fine. And we'll just say coaches. I can choose that. You can also enter the industry if it's not giving you the actual industry or it's not labeling it correctly. The target audience is going to generate based on the link, is going to suggest your target audience. You can add more. Okay, so I can also say this is students. All right. Then we just click on enter and we've added it. Now you can also select the brand kit you want to be working from. I have a number of brand kits, so you can just choose any of them. All right. So I'll just keep it to the African Geek brand kit. Now we'll go to next. Okay. So this is where we are going to see the product name, which is the Canva course, and the product description is already there. So it's already put out the images from the link I suggested. Okay. And the category, you can see, I think it's done everything for us. The price, I can say 25. I think it's 25 USD. And the discount, if you want to offer discount, you can also put that here. Okay, what's included? If there are any additional stuff included, you can also add it here. Then we'll just click on next. So at this point, Canva should process all the information you've given it to give you something tangible. So now Canva is done and it's just asking us the format and assets. Do we want a static ad or video ads, which is not yet available? So automatically we can choose static ads. So we'll just have that selected and we'll just click on next. And by what we've selected, it should generate something for us. Apart from that, I also want to say that just in case you're in the free version of Canva, but want to be able to try Canva Pro and all the amazing things you can do in Canva Pro, I have a special link in the description box below, or there should be a QR somewhere on this page that can help you, try Canva Pro for free for 30 days. Make sure to enjoy that. Okay, so that's just about it. And let's go back to check what Canva has done for us. All right. So Canva has generated some designs for us. Okay, so we have this, and we have the option 3. I like option 3. Okay, so I'll just go to next. Now that we are done, we can click on open editor, or you can even choose to start again if you don't like the results. Okay, so we are coming in here and Canva has generated the ads for us. What I'm just going to do is to change the font, okay, because I don't like this font. So I'll just come here and I'll change it to Poppins, because I really love Poppins. Okay, to Poppins, and we go in here and choose bold. Okay, so maybe bold for the title, and with this one we can also just make it, maybe semi bold. Okay, and I would reduce the font size of this a little bit, and also stretch this out and bring it over here. Instead of saying on stand, I'll just remove this. Okay, and that's what we should have at the moment. So we can see how Canva has been able to generate the art using the Canva AI for us, and it's added all this, all the descriptions and things that can help us sell the course. Okay, so now that we are done, I'll just delete, what we have on the page 1 and all the other pages. I'll just delete it. All right, so this is what we have. So once we are done, and we come over to this corner, you should see publish to Meta Art. So once I click on it, it should load everything beautifully. And because I have connected my Canva to my Meta Art account, it opens beautifully. But if you haven't, it would actually ask you to connect it first. All right. Now, another thing you can do even over here is to use the Meta design check, okay, just to make sure whatever you're doing is on point. Okay, so you're just going to choose feed because this is a feed design and export. So it would export the design into the meta design check, and meta design check will just check everything to help you know how you can improve. Okay, so you can see how it's looking for stories and all of that. But overall, it's looking good. You can see it's looking good. And it says that the design follows most of the best practices to make it even better. You could also do blah blah blah, add motion and design and all of that. Okay, so it looks like this design is on point based on the requirements from Meta. Okay, and this is how the ad is going to look from the preview. Now you can connect the ad account, but if I come in here, I can just connect my account. The ad page, I should see African Geek. The pages I want to publish as the ad, just page one. Okay, and the ad name, I'll say African Geek Course. Okay, then the primary text, you can add it over here. The headline, the description also can be added over here. Now, once you're done with all this, the next section is the call to action. Okay, so call to action, we can say shop now. Then it leads us to the website URL for my course. Then the campaign, you can create a new campaign for it. Okay, or you can just leave it the way it is. Once you're done, all you need to do is to launch ad as active. And if I do this, it means that I'll be deducted. So for the sake of that, I wouldn't want to, attend because I'm not ready to run ads. But that's how you can even publish straight from Canva to your Meta Ads account for your ads to go live. Now, there's something you can still do with Canva Grow. Maybe you want to design the ads by yourself. You can actually gain inspiration because Canva has created ads from most of the top brands we have in the world. Okay, so if you come to ad inspiration, you can see you can find ads that have performed well from most of the top brands we have, in the world. So you can just go through to gain inspiration. Okay, so if you're a clothing brand, there's something you can check out. So depending on what you do, you can come here to search for ads from so many companies. All right. Now you can also search for top performing ads. So maybe I'm into courses. So I can just search for courses. Okay. And we can see we have so many ads over here. Performing arts. Canva has created them for you. And you can also choose the library. There's just so many things to choose from. So maybe from Apple, maybe Apple is into product. So I can just say tech. Okay, and we can see the ads that Apple has done. Okay, and most of the top brands are over here. So the Anchor, they make speakers and all of that. So we can just select them and we can see what they have been able to do. This is to also give you an idea of how you can also design your ad if you want to design them by yourself. Okay, so that's with this particular page. So the next thing you can also do is since I don't have the business account, I wouldn't talk much about it, but it's just something just to show you. Once you click on add insights, this is where you can, once you run your ads, you can track it from here, to see, you know, if your ad is performing well, if it needs review, if you need to tweak certain things, you can actually find that from here. Okay. The more you get to do this, the Canva AI learns from it. So once you click on add knowledge, it would give you more things, as it's learning about your business and how you want to promote your business, it will be giving you more insight on how you can make your ads better. So I hope just with this explanation, you have gained more insight on how you can use Canva to run ads for your businesses. And yeah, I hope you found it helpful. The name is Benjamin. Just let me know if you have any comments. Just leave it in the comment section, and I'll make sure to check them out. The name is Benjamin. Always remember there is no limit to creativity. I should see you in the next video. Peace.